Hey, Casey Lee of The Actor Study. Today I want to talk to you about myths about being an actor. You need to be born with talent. The answer is no, but you can cultivate your skill set by taking a class and learning about acting, so you do not need to be born with talent. Method acting is the only way. No, you got the Meisner technique, Stanislavski, and other intuitive techniques that are out there, whatever it is, but method acting is not the only way. You got to move to Hollywood to make it big. You do not. You can go to New York, you can go to London, become big online, theater, you can stage. So no, you don't have to move to Hollywood to make it big. Save that airplane ticket, bus ride, you don't need it. You have to look a certain way to make it in Hollywood to be an actor. Yes, you do. No, you don't. No, you do not have to look a certain way. Acting is constantly evolving. Performers are changing where we are in time. So no, you do not have to look a certain way. That you have to be of a certain age. No, not at all. Let's take, for example, Morgan Freeman. Morgan Freeman became successful, I believe, in his 50s. Bryan Cranston in Breaking Bad. He got his success later on in his career. So no, you do not have to be of a certain age to make it. Networking is just about knowing the right people. No. Networking is more about making relationships, because it's all about relationship, not just networking, but it's all about relationships, being consistent, being professional, showing up and having and doing great work. More training automatically makes you a great actor. Yes or no? No. What really matters and more valuable is on-set experience, life experience. That makes you a better actor. Background work leads to speaking role. No, it does not. I wouldn't focus on doing background work in hopes of getting a speaking role. It's a separate thing. Acting is just about memorizing lines. No, it is not about memorizing lines. It's about learning character, learning the character's world, your state of being, and objectives and actions and beats and substitutions, whatever technique you're using. Does crying on cue make you a great actor? No, it does not. Although that's a gift. I can't even cry on cue. Maybe, I don't know. Crying on cue? No, it does not make you a great actor. Although it makes you a gifted actor or a gifted person. What really makes you a great actor is your determination, your desire to be great, your passion, your comprehension of acting, and your application ability to apply what you've learned. That is what makes you a great actor. Anyway, I'm Casey Lee of The Actor Study. If you would like to come check out our class, you can DM us on Instagram at The Actor Study, or you can email us at info@theactorstudy.com. Whatever you do, keep being great, strive for excellence, never mediocrity. I'm Casey Lee. Peace.